The number one topic when you bring up keto diet, the number one thing that people struggle with is bread. Bread is the hardest thing to come by, and making your own never worked for me. I've got a shootout of, I've actually tried three, four, at least 7 breads. I know there's more, but 5 I'm going to show you today. 3 I had here at home. I'm going to toast the 3 I had at home, and I'm going to tell you what my favorite bread is. So here are the 3 that I have at home. Natural ovens, keto friendly bread, 0 carbs. Then I have this protein bread with grain. And then I have the Aldi's keto friendly multigrain. I also have tried their regular bread, not their multigrain. Their multigrain is a little bit better when you toast. That is my favorite over the regular. The regular has more towards a cardboard kind of, when you toast it up, it gets much tougher. The multigrain does a better job. But let's just show you. So I stuck all 3 pieces in the toaster, set them all in the same number. Now, some toasts will vary. You need to go a little longer, a little shorter. But I put them all on 6 on my toaster. And you'll find keto breads take a little bit longer. So then when it pops up here, you can clearly see all 3. And the keto from Aldi's bread, the Aldi's bread, it didn't toast that well. The protein bread, which is a net 4 carbs, it's not 0. The other 2 are 0. This one, there's a lot of little nuts in there. I was hoping for more of a, I don't know, less nuts, more towards a raisin bread, but it's not like that at all. Some people are going to like the nuts and that kind of thing. It toasted a little bit better than the Aldi's keto bread, friendly bread. The protein, it's not my thing. The natural ovens that you can order off of Amazon, it's expensive, but I've spent a lot of money trying to find the right bread. And look how this toasts up. No problem eating this one. 0 net carbs. Clearly the winner. Hands down. Now the 2 other types that I've got, I'm going to pull those up on the screen. This was an excellent bread. I was on a road trip because in New England, I can't order this Kroger's Carb Master Classic White. Can't order it. Tasted great, but it is 4 net carbs, not 0. The Kroger Carb Master Classic White Bread is what I wanted to buy in New England when I got back from a road trip. I really like this bread. This was my favorite bread up until I found the Natural Ovens bread. The Carb Master, if you live New York to Colorado, you should be able to find this Carb Master probably at your Walmart. Slightly less, not quite as good as this, but enough for me that I wanted that bread and to find it. The other one that I tried, so I can get in an all fire, is this Oro Wheat Superior Keto Bread. That was excellent too. Still not quite as good as the Natural Ovens. Both this one and the other one that I didn't have right here, I only got on the road. Can't find it anywhere in New England. If somebody knows where these breads are, both of these 2 that I got on the road were better than what I got at Aldi's, whether it was the multigrain bread, the regular Aldi's, or that seed bread. Those were Aldi's. Just, I loved Aldi's before I found these others. The two on the road were better, and now this one beats them all. I hope I help somebody out there, because if you go on a carb diet and you're trying to hit uh, very few carbs in your diet, I think this is the answer. You're going to fork out a few dollars, but you're not going to have the trouble I had when I did keto and I didn't include bread at all. Hope this was helpful to those looking for a bread choice. This one really does toast up like regular bread, taste like regular bread. It's really good. Thanks for watching. And I didn't get paid to do this. I'm doing it because I wish somebody had done one of these for me. Instead of trying to tell me how to cook keto bread. That never worked. It tasted horrible. But then again, it could be me cooking. Thanks. Like, subscribe.